Hey, so I got iPhone 6 here came in. So problem with this one is like when we try to call, we can't hear through our earpiece, and but on speakerphone it worked fine, and then it doesn't record anything. We can't hear anything on the microphone. So let me show you. I'm gonna dial helpline. It is connected, but I can't hear anything. Nothing at all. I'm gonna turn off the and here. So I'm gonna see voice memo. Hello testing, 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. It's not reacting to anything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this phone. I suspect this is the audio IC problem. So but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this phone and have a look on the PCB first. Oh, the shield came off. Someone already worked on this phone. I don't know what work has been done. Okay, that's all. Looks, someone tried to heat this area up. I guess baseband CPU has been fixed. There is a bit of flux. This area is look at this one. This is totally snapped. Something is missing from here. Not sure. It's cap up. Okay, this area has been worked on. Let's remove the sticker. Look at these guys. Wi-Fi IC has been worked on as well. This area seems, I guess audio IC has been reflowed as well. Not sure. Oh, look at there. Look at these caps, they are not in the place. Okay, so it seems like a lot of work has been done in this one. Let me quickly see what is this missing component in the XW. Maybe that is related. I don't think so, but we're gonna see. Is iPhone 6 already open? Okay, this is Stockholm antenna. Now this is not related to microphone. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this audio IC. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna use preheater for this one. Normally I don't use preheater for iPhone 6, but for this one I'm just gonna use. And I'm gonna use my hot air on the top. Someone already tried a lot of things on this one. I already tested Wi-Fi, but I tested the baseband. Yeah, baseband is working because we had a signal and it was calling. So I'm gonna pull this IC because baseband. Sorry, Wi-Fi. Let me put the heatsink on the Wi-Fi. That's it. Because baseband we had a signals, so I don't think the baseband is a problem. Okay, this is off. We got a couple of missing pads. I hope they are just NC. We got few missing pads here. Okay, so we got a couple of missing pads, but I think they are all NC because I can't see the traces going anywhere. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's confirm from the ZXW. Okay, we have these missing paired, this missing paired, and these missing paired, and this one. Yeah, they are all NC. So I'm not worried about these ones. Microscope. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab IC from a donor board, and I'm gonna reball that and install on this one. Let's grab from donor. Yeah, a little bit of flux. I think balls are okay. I'm gonna use the same balls maybe. Let me see. This seems okay to me. There are few big balls and 1 2 small ball. I think I'm okay with this one. I don't need to reball it. I'm just gonna use it as it is. I'm gonna blow up with the hot air. And let me go with the Wi-Fi. That's done. Let's wait for cooling down. I'm gonna remove from my preheater. I think is okay. Let's test it. voice memo first, because they wasn't working even. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Nah, it didn't work. So let's check on the call. Maybe this charging port is also bad. So we're gonna test on the call as well, just to make sure. Earpiece is working. Before it wasn't. So I think their charging port is also bad. So let's try another charging port if I have. This charging port, I don't have any trust on this one, because I think I have tried this one on another phone and it didn't work. So let's try. So before, Earpiece wasn't working even. Oh, sorry, I need to test this voice memo. Hello, 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 hello. No, it's not working. Let's restart it. So I think yeah, and the audio IC was definitely the problem. The earpiece is back to normal now. So need to fix that microphone as well. Okay. Voice. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, testing 1 2 3. No, it's not working. So what we need to do, our one problem is fixed, second is still there. So we need to figure out that problem as well. So let's see what is the other problem. Why microphone is not working. Let's see under the scope, because there is heat sign I can see in this area as well. You can see, because microphone is with the charging port. So obviously if something is bad here. What is that? Yeah, that's loose. I don't know if that is a filter or okay, let's check in ZXW. What is that? ZXW. That one is this. This is a filter. Okay, that is vibe driver. This is to do with the vibe driver. So we're gonna put that one, even though. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check microphone lines from here. So I suspect something is wrong in this area. Maybe any of this filter is bad or is not connected. So let's see, where is the microphone lines. PP underscore codec. This is a microphone line. This is a microphone as well. Lower mic, and this is a lower mic. So we need to test this one. Test this. This is a headphone. We don't need to. This is a codec to hand free. Headphone. Headset. Vibe driver connection. speaker amplifier, speaker out. This is a speaker amplifier connections. So let's see in schematics. I'm gonna this. So schematics iPhone 6 is connector J1817. So I'm gonna see search J17. Just 1 minute, guys. My keyboard wasn't working properly, so I'm gonna J1847. No, that's not the connector name. Connector 1817 17. Okay, so this is our charging port connector. So let's see which is the microphone line. This is our charging port connector. Okay, so this is the headset codec to headset. This is a microphone negative. This is we need to test this pin number 17. This is a microphone connection. And where is the positive? This is a positive. So we need to test pin number 17 and pin number 18. So these are our lower microphone connection. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test that one in diode mode. I'm gonna see what's the reading. Pin number 17 and 18. So this is from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 from that side. So okay, you can see the reading over here. Okay, I'm gonna see. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we got OL here and we got OL here even. So they are both OL. Let's see in ZXW if there is any reading map. It shows what normal reading should be. So we were testing this one. Just goes through this gap and there is filter and filter goes to audio IC. Now this gap and this gap to audio IC. Okay, we have OL here. I don't think so that is a normal. We should have some values. So let's see if there is a values here on this connector. If not, then I'm gonna test with that non-good 17. No, it doesn't say any value. Doesn't show anything. Okay, so but I guess there should be some value. Let me check with the non-good one. Not non-good, I mean a donor one, because that is connected. I'm gonna check with my donor board just to match. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th. No, that's OL as well. Yeah, they both are OL. So we have normal reading as compared to the non-good one, even though. So why the microphone is not responding then? So let's see if there is any other line which is related to the microphone. Codec to headphone, codec to headphone, lower microphone, PP to codec to mic 1. We need to test this line as well. So this is a microphone related line. So this is pin number 21. Okay, let's see at pin number 21. So from down it is 21 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So but this is like this readings guys, it shows OL here on 21, even though this is OL as well. So how we are gonna check this? Let's see. I'm gonna look at the filter. This is the old one. This is the filter. This one has been worked very badly. What's that? Huh? Look, the solder ball is just sitting there. Diode mode reading is not helping us either. This is a speaker amplifier. Our speaker phone is working fine, and there's no problem with the speaker. So I'm gonna test this filter. That is okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my iBridge. I'm gonna run diode mode reading on the whole connector just to find out if there is any difference in reading, because I think my audio IC is fine now. So let me grab that one. Okay, this is iBridge from Queenly. I never used this one before, it is brand new. I just used this for screen repair, like image repair before, but I never used this for charging port related. I don't know which one is charging port one. I guess this is the one. And this is I think this is the charging port one. So what I'm gonna match the values with this one, just to make sure if there is any problem. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check values on this one, and I'm gonna read out. So I'm gonna see if there is any difference. You can see on my multimeter. The first one is 525, 583. That seems fine. 150. I assume from my multimeter, 150 plus minus is okay, because they has been taken with the flock multimeter. So far, at least from my meter, I always assume between 100 to 150 plus minus is okay for me. So this is 665 here, 747, that's fine. 525 is okay, that's okay, that's okay, that's 1923. It shows OL. The pin number 11. Okay, let's see what is the pin number 11. Pin number 11, 1800 something. Should shows. Shows OL. What is the line name? Headphone to codec detection. So this line, this is a headphone related. This is not something microphone related here. So headphone to codec detect connection. So this is not a problem. I don't think so, because this is a totally unrelated line. So I'm gonna go another one. 1200. Okay, the next one is 1200. Supposed to be 1200. It shows 2100 something. Let's see on ZX what is the next line. Codec to headphone. HS4. This is also headphone related. So I don't think so that is related to our problem, because our problem is microphone. So this is not related to our problem. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test once more these values, because we need to find the value which is related to microphone. Okay, next one is 553. okay, well, that's okay, well, okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, this is fine, this is fine, the one is ground. Okay, so I'm gonna check another side. It's okay, okay, this is OL. They're supposed to be 520. What pin is it? It's pin number 6. So let's see what is the pin number 6, if that is a microphone related. Pin number 6, vibe driver. So yeah, this is a vibe driver, the filter which we found physically, that is bad. So vibe driver, it's supposed to go to vibe driver. I don't know where it's going. This is a vibe driver chip. This one. So it is not going vibe. Oh, sorry. This is a strobe driver. So vibe driver is talking to where it is going. That's strange. It doesn't show anywhere on the board. Okay, that goes to this vibe driver village, AP to vibe driver. Okay, I think this is the problem. The vibe driver. I think vibe driver send the signals to the CPU. Turn on the microphone, something like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna solder that filter back, and then I'm gonna see if that makes any difference. So I'm gonna remove that epoxy from the side. That's just hanging on there. It came on. I think vibe driver sent some signal. To be honest, I don't know if that is related to microphone, but I am just gonna jump it. I'm gonna see if that makes any difference, because I don't know if that is that sends any signals regarding microphone. So I'm just gonna jump it for a time being to test it. I'm just going to pin the pads. So okay, so what I'm just jumping these both pads, so I'm gonna test after that if that makes any difference on microphone. Yeah, so I'm gonna test this one, and I'm gonna see if that makes any difference. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. No, it didn't make any difference. So we got almost all readings normal. So what I suspect, let me try in another housing. Now good, because this charging port, this one, I am not sure that is fine or that is working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try with another housing. Just to make sure if that is charging port problem, because diode mode reading on the microphone line and all microphone related lines, they are fine, which it's supposed to be, but I'm not sure why microphone is not working then, because before we didn't have microphone and speaker earpiece both. So now we have earpiece back after audio IC replacement, but we don't have microphone. So microphone sounds to me charging port related, and we have tested all the diode mode readings, which sounds normal. So let's see. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. No, it's not charging port related. That is something to do with board related problem. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test if that microphone upper one is working, because that works with the speakerphone. Our camera is not connected. Our camera is not connected, so I'm just gonna do some recording, video recording, and I'm gonna test that if the upper microphone is working. Hello. I think I need to restart the phone, because that thing camera wasn't connected, and then I connected again. Now let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do record video. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing. Hello, hello, testing. Hello, testing. Hello, testing. Okay, let's play this. No, that microphone is also not working. So we have some other issue, because both microphones, they are not responding. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reball the IC, and I'm gonna see if that makes any difference, because maybe I guess solder put in a reball IC, so maybe some of the balls they are not connected properly. So I'm not gonna use preheater this time. Sometimes I use preheater, sometimes it doesn't. So it doesn't make any difference to iPhone 6 for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover it and I'm gonna pull the IC back. That is driving me nuts, this phone. There is damage from this corner a little bit. Ball looks okay, to be honest. This IC seems damaged from this corner a little bit to me. But from here. So let's replace with another one because maybe this IC is faulty. So I'm gonna clean off these pads again, because that looks a little bit damaged to me. Okay. So this is okay now. So I'm gonna pull the IC from another donor. This is here. I'm just gonna grab quickly. My tweezers are really dirty. I just need to clean them out. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So let's check this earpiece as well. Let me connect the antenna. Okay, I'm gonna restart it. So we had a dodgy IC. That's what happens sometimes, guys, because everything was normal. Diode mode reading was normal, charging port was okay, so we had a dodgy IC which took another 20-30 minutes to figure out. So maybe that is not, we didn't reball that one, that's why it didn't work. But I think that is not a problem, because when I pulled the IC, the reballing was okay, every pad was connected, so I think that just the IC was dodgy. So let's try this. Let's see. It works. This works. And then earpiece is working. Speakerphone, it was working anyway. The earpiece is not working. Now test recording again. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So that's fixed. Hello. So that's how we will fix this issue. So that was the dodgy IC. So that was the only IC problem, audio IC, which we replaced, and then it fixed that earpiece and microphone problem. So I hope you will like this video. I will see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.